Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of chocolate chip cookies. The first thing that you need is half a cup of softened butter. Here I'm using the regular salted butter. Now we will be adding half a cup of castor sugar to the butter for creaming. Make sure that you do not use the icing sugar. I'm using spatula here, you can use the stand mixer too. This process is called the creaming of butter and sugar, so make sure that you do not skip this step. Now to the mixture goes in a splash of vanilla essence. Now let's move on to the dry ingredients. I have more than a cup of refined flour here. To this I'll add about a tablespoon of corn flour to make the cookies chewy. Now I'll add about a teaspoon of baking soda. So start by sifting all the dry ingredients. So now you just have to add your dry ingredients to the wet ones in 3 parts. In case you're using a stand mixer, you can add at one go. Now we'll add some milk to it. It will act as a binding ingredient. If you wish to make it more chocolatey, you can add more of chocolate chunks. And now let it chill for 30 minutes in the refrigerator. Now I'll grease the pan and start making little balls out of the dough and add choco chips to it. Now I'll bake them for 15 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. And yeah, there you have your cookies ready. Do like, share, subscribe and comment below what you would like to see next on my channel.